Before the factory hums, every pea begins its journey in fields like these.
From field to line, the process is seamless. The harvest leaves the fields, guided carefully toward the plant. Arrival at the plant marks the next stage of transformation.
Fresh from the fields, the beans are bathed in pristine water to remove dirt and debris. Powerful sprays ensure
Every pod is visually checked to guarantee uniformity.
To lock in color and nutrients, the beans first undergo precise blanching. Now frozen solid, the beans continue down the line, ready for sorting. Each batch is measured with precision, ensuring consistent portions for consumers. Final touches remove excess frost, ensuring perfect texture.